Welcome back to GigaBits, the channel where we break down real tech tools, compare top apps, and help you decide what actually works in 2026 before you invest your time or money. In the age of AI language learning, dozens of apps claim to make you fluent faster than traditional methods. Today we're comparing three rising AI language platforms: MakesYouFluent, Jumpspeak, and Langua. Each promises personalized AI help, real-world conversations, and quicker progress, but which one is actually worth using this year? Let's break it down. Overview: what these apps are. MakesYouFluent focuses on immersive, AI-driven language learning that adapts to your level, interests, and pace. It blends traditional lessons with AI conversations and personalized feedback. Jumpspeak emphasizes live speech and dialogue practice using AI simulators, speech recognition, and real-time correction, ideal for learners who want to speak confidently early. Langua markets itself as a next-gen AI tutor with deep grammar explanations, adaptive exercises, and context-based learning tailored to your mistakes. All three use advanced AI, but they differ in focus, methodology, and overall experience. User experience and interface. MakesYouFluent has a polished and engaging interface. Navigation is intuitive, and lessons are broken down into practical, real-world chunks that feel relevant to everyday speech. Jumpspeak puts speaking first. The interface centers on dialogue simulations and voice interactions, which can feel intense but also more impactful if your goal is fluency. Langua feels more academic and structured. Its UI is clean but denser, which appeals to learners who prefer detailed explanations over playful interactions. Winner: MakesYouFluent for balance, Jumpspeak for speaking focus, Langua for depth. AI methodology and learning approach. MakesYouFluent uses AI to create tailored learning paths, adjusting topics based on your strengths and weaknesses. It integrates listening, reading, and speaking exercises smoothly. Jumpspeak uses AI speech recognition and dialogue simulators to mimic real conversations. This gives you immediate correction and confidence, but less focus on reading or writing. Langua takes a deeper analytical approach. Its AI gives extensive grammar breakdowns, context-based examples, and adaptive drills focused on your most common errors. Winner: Jumpspeak for speaking practice, Langua for grammar rigor, MakesYouFluent for holistic balance. Real-world speaking practice. In 2026, real-world speaking ability is a top priority for language learners. Jumpspeak stands out with its AI-driven spoken dialogues that simulate real conversations and give instant pronunciation feedback. It's arguably the most speaking-centric app of the three. MakesYouFluent also emphasizes speech, but its dialogues are mixed with other exercise types. Langua includes speaking tasks, but it's more heavy on analysis and less on immersive conversation. Winner: Jumpspeak for speaking focus. Grammar and structural learning. If you want strong grammar foundations, Langua excels with detailed explanations, context examples, error analysis, and adaptive drills that actually teach you why something is correct or incorrect. MakesYouFluent keeps things lighter and more conversational. Jumpspeak focuses less on grammar theory and more on practical speech patterns. Winner: Langua for grammar and understanding. Adaptive AI and personalization. All three apps use AI to adapt to your level, but they do it differently. MakesYouFluent adjusts entire learning paths and content topics based on long-term performance. Jumpspeak adjusts conversation difficulty and feedback based on speech accuracy. Langua adjusts drills and explanations based on your most common errors. In terms of smart personalization, MakesYouFluent likely offers the broadest adaptive experience, blending multiple skills. Winner for balanced adaptation. Pricing and value in 2026. All three apps offer free tiers with limited access and premium subscriptions for full features. Jumpspeak may be worth it if your focus is speaking fluency and real interaction. Langua's premium tier is justified if you want deep understanding and grammar mastery. MakesYouFluent tends to offer the overall best value for balanced development. Winner for overall value, Jumpspeak for speaking, Langua for analytical learners. Final verdict: which AI app should you use in 2026? If you want real-world speaking confidence, Jumpspeak is your best pick. Its AI dialogues and speech feedback are unmatched here. If you want deep grammar and correctness, Langua gives you the most thorough analytical learning. If you want a balanced, adaptive, all-around app that covers listening, speaking, reading, and grammar without favoring one too heavily, MakesYouFluent is the most rounded choice. There's no one-size-fits-all winner, but your choice should match your learning goal. If this comparison helped you understand which AI language app is right for you in 2026, give the video a like and subscribe to GigaBits. We break down real tech, tools, and learning platforms so you can make smarter choices without the guesswork. Turn on notifications and we'll see you in the next guide on GigaBits.